Hi, welcome back to the garden. Well, on the way to the garden. It's been raining off and on all day, and I hear the thunder in the background. It's going to hit us pretty hard here in just a second, but we need to make a swing around the garden, see if there's anything we need to take care of. Now just take a look at our Labor Day planting. Our beans are coming up really well. Got squash all the way through here. Our corn is wonderful. Our turnips are coming up really well. We got a bunch of beets. Our spinach is doing well, and so is our onions. And some of the rest of this is just amaranth that's coming up on its own. We'll see what we get there. See if we can hear it. Just lightly rub this. Just keep bringing it right back to the center. Bring it back to the center in a pile, and the lighter stuff will be on top. It's a light little breath. All the heavy sink to the bottom, just like in gold panning. That's just how fast you can clean up your amaranth. We got a pretty nice little pile there. And then if you fold your sack back in half, you just run it off into your bowl, and there you go. You got a pretty clean little batch of amaranth. Now, if you remember, we also got a bunch of sugarcane seed, and we've had that drying in the bag. And I believe this is just about the same. Just thrash this. Since I'm not selling it, I'm not going to clean it up too much. I just want the seeds. They seem to come off just fine. Usually your first pass, you get most of your seeds off. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry out just a little more. But we got tons of seeds there, and it's down to a manageable size. Now we're going to be able to do sugarcane next year. And we got a bunch more amaranth out in the garden that needs picked. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to clean this up. You can do this too. Take a handful of seeds and turn it into a bounty. And our radishes are doing really, really well. And the Labor Day peas and lettuce are growing really well. This is that bean that just came up on its own. Gotta love volunteers. That's why we do it, because it tastes great. Of course, we put these seeds in the ground a little bit before the Labor Day planting, and our beets and our lettuce are growing fine. We even got some more squash coming on. Here's our bok choy and pak choy and our cabbages. We got cilantro and spinach. We've got a volunteer Swiss chard right there. But over here, our purple beans, we got little purple beans coming on. This is all Labor Day planting. Oh, I'm very excited. I did want to check this corn. We're going to have corn before the end of September. Then we should have some more corn by the end of October. Now you can do this too. We're going to have some really nice cucumbers. We could take those already. And where all we had was male flowers, just gave it a little time. There's one, there's another one. Got one right there. Got one right there. I think that's going to be a nice cucumber right there. And you can do this too. The vines are doing well. But that storm is a-coming. I'm gonna get wet. Oh my goodness. Now that's a purple bean. They're supposed to come off about... Wow. They're supposed to come off about this size. We'll get seeds out of this one. There's a few more in here I should be picking. But I'm gonna blame it on the rain. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.